If I scream, it means I get soaked, and it won't face me, but you're gonna hear me on the camera. Hey guys, welcome back. I'm with my boy, and I'm with my friend.
That's cold. Bye, Sadie. See you next time. Wait. I'm not going backwards. No. Yes. No, please.
Oh, yeah.
We all are.
No, that's you. No.
Oh, and this is payback for laughing at me in my other videos on here.
I am. I just can't see that
Last
good.
week.
Oh, God.
Yes!
Let's see how you feel now, bitch.
Let's go! Yeah, go to him! Yes! Bye-bye, Mark! Oh, fuck. Not the sprinklers! What? Yes!
No.
Yes! No! My camera turned off.
Go to my ass.
But don't worry, I got it now.
Oh, my God.
Oh, turn to Mark.
Oh, you hit you with the leg.
It's in my
Sprinkler time. Go
You
to
with the
Mark.
sky.
Yes! Buddy? My ass is wet!
No.
Yes!
Wait, it won't work.
My asshole!
I want to go on it again.
Could we?
Yeah, sure. Me and you.
Yes.
This time, I take this one with me.
Fuck you.
I hate you
Wait,
for
you
this,
wanna
but
record
at least
me this
I
time?
recorded you.
Okay.
Wait.
Or just on my phone and send you it.
No, you can record on mine.
Huh?
See you part 2.
Hi, Trevor. Shut up.
6, 7.
Hi, Trevor. I hope you get soaked.
I got a little soaked now on for the second time. First time ever.
See ya. Hi, guys. Mark here. So, I have Trevor's phone right now, and he's on Blizzard River. I hope he gets soaked so bad. See you guys soon.